Good afternoon, my friends. How are you? Thought I would show you an update of my broader, flamethrower half-track thingy. So I've basically got all the major parts together. So we're going to try and do the internals and then put it all together. All right. So I've just got to put the degraded paint on there. So you see, the first thing I do is I give it a lacquer, red brown, German. Then I come along and use the washable acrylic paint, and then scratch it up and all that kind of stuff, and give it a nice brush with the water. Then I come along and I've given it a nice acrylic lacquer seal with a glossy acrylic lacquer. And then once that's all dried, so you want to give this 24 hours to dry, because you will be, when you get to this part, you're going to be scratching at it and doing all kinds of stuff. So you want this set well, all right? And then for a final thing, I've come along and I've put it a dark green wash on to give a real dirty look to it. So after the wash, then I'm going to start to paint up the details. Okay, so you can see there I've started to put a bit of brown on the seats, and we'll go from there. All right, I've also got this sort of starting to come along. I put the decals on it. So I put the whatever they are, the dials or whatnot. I never put them on that straight by the looks of it, but you won't see it that much anyway. And then I sealed it up with some of the glossy acrylic lacquer clear. So that's dried now. I'm going to give it its wash like that, so it'll get the exact same wash that got, and then I can do the details on it. So we'll paint up the gas mask canister, the pedals, yes, all that kind of stuff. So that's how that's coming along. I got this painted up because once you get those angle panels here on, these buggers on, you're not going to be able to get your paint gun into the back there, behind here or anything. So that's all pre-painted with black. I did the wheels as well. So I've got in all into those really difficult spots. So we know that there will be a covering, but it'll be at least black. And I can even now, tape the tracks up, put some tape around the tracks, and we can just do once we, get the exterior painted, we can just take that tape off and do the rest by hand. We have heaps of options. So this will go on the top of here. But yeah, we'll get it a good paint up first. So that'll go on there. Then we can put the dashboard on, and then we can put the sides on, and then we can put the top on. And then we're pretty much done, you know what I mean? So, all good, all coming along nice. Also got some new resin figures. This is from Tusk model from China. So yeah, you get these. So I got these in the box. So there's two figures in this one. We got two SS soldiers. One's dead, and one's, I don't know, pointing his gun at something. And I'll just put this down for 1 second. I'll show you what they look like. Oh, okay, so I've got the dead body first. Let's have a look. A Tusk model. Yeah, that's the dead dude. What do you reckon? Oh, there's a little bit of cleanup there. You see on his arm? Not bad. What's his face look like? bit of cleanup needed on that. Does it look like a bit of damage as well? Not that you really see it. Not too bad. But though I like the clothing detail. It's really nice. The type's really nice. Yeah, it's really authentic, isn't it? That's a nice one. And then of course there are all the other parts you get with it. So you get the arms and the helmets and the hair and all that. Whatever else you get. Oh, you get a rifle. So that's cool. And then we got this one. So this fella here, we'll have a look at him. See if I can do it. Like this. Hold on. Yeah, this guy looks cool. Yeah, I like him. Look at the pants. It's nice how it really fits into the boots and everything, isn't it? That bread bag's nice. And you got heaps of good spots for all the tools and his equipment. It's nice. Of course, the hands will be attached to the gun. It's really nice. I like that. I like it a lot. And there he's got his extra bits. Oh yeah, his head. Ooh. So that's cool. I like that. So yeah, I got two in there. They were, I think they were $5 each. So it was $10 for the both of them. That's Australian dollars. And I got another little set, so I'll show you that. So the next set I got is these two fellas. Two Soviet tankers, but don't they look cool pointing their guns at stuff? So, I reckon that would be really cool to put on a tank of some description. So here he is. Yeah, it's real. I love it. I love it. It is nice. Look at the belt. How that belt falls down. See? It's just you see things on these resin figures that you just don't see on the plastic ones. Really, really impressed with them, and I don't know if I could go back to the plastic ones, to be quite honest now. That's going to be a really nice tanker. So I guess that's that one there pointing his gun down. It'd be a good angle there, isn't it? That one. That one. That angle. Sweet. Well, anyway, I'm going to get into finishing off all this and start putting together some of these figures that I've got. We'll start painting them. See how we go. Alright, fellas. Hold on. We'll get cracking on with the half track. See, I've got the guns there. They're getting made, painted. The rifles. They're going to go on the inside, but I have to put them up against the wall there, so we'll put it in when we're installing it. Lovely kit, really nice, but yeah, it's a head fuck, guys. Like, you'll be working on it for ages. So I want to get stuck into this one as well, the AF Red Club one. Else, enough of that, which I'm going to get stuck into as well. That'll be our next project. We'll do some half tracks. So yeah, the instructions are good. There's no problem with it. Like these were all made out of clear parts. The windows or whatever. But what I've done is I've put some liquid mask on the clear part there. So once we've finished all the painting, I'll just take that liquid mask off and we'll have a window. Alright, I'll see you again soon. Bye.